Hello, मेरे दर्शकों, welcome back to my YouTube channel where Darshini speaks more and does things less. So I guess thumbnail देख के तो आपको पता चल ही गया. Come, let's get ready with me while I tell you how I was literally about to get scammed. So I've already prepped my skin. It was 2 years back in 2024. So what actually happened is I just finished my night shift and I was walking out of the hospital. So at that time, I got a call, and they go like, your number is gonna get blocked in another 1 hour. And to know the reason why your number is getting blocked, or like I guess they specified why my number was blocked or something. So if you want to like rectify it, press this button or whatever. And then I pressed that number. So as soon as I pressed that number, it took me to their customer care. Okay, meaning according to them it was their customer care, but it was a scammer. So then I tell this person like, aisa hua hai, and I've got a call, like what is it, like, why am I getting this call, or for whatever reason. Okay, like what did I do that you're blocking my number or something. And then person goes like, he told me that my number was being used in a Canara Bank account which is in Mumbai. The bank is in Mumbai. And she read out the number and she like, this is your number, right? And I'm like, no, this is not my number. They're like, but your name is Darshini, right? And I'm like, yeah, my name is Darshini. And they're like, हाँ, so आपके ही नाम पे ये सब हुआ है and all that. And like, if it is not your number, I think you should contact the Mumbai police. They gave me a locality, and they're like, you should contact this police station because this is the nearby police station to that bank. And I was like, okay, fine. And in my mind, I was like, okay, fine, I'll contact this police station through like Google. I'll search the nearest police station and then, I'll contact them and I'll speak. I'm like, okay, I'll do that. And they are like, do you have any contacts in Mumbai, like to contact this police station? And I'm like, no. So they're like, it's okay, we'll connect you through the call. And listen to me, you can give my number, and this is my employer ID. You can tell this to the police, and you can see, just to make sure they get my trust. Okay, that I don't feel something fishy. So this person goes like and tells me his employer ID, his name, and some one more detail something he gave me. And he was like, while you're complaining to the police, you tell that from so and so you got a call, and this is the employer ID and everything. And I also, being a fool, gets fooled, and I go ahead. Okay, fine. Okay, the call gets connected. The person is like, hello, Mumbai police. And I also be like, okay, fine. And then I'm like, sir, ऐसा हो गया है मेरे साथ, और इन्होंने मुझे कॉल किया था. And that person, and he's asking me, do you know that person whoever has called you? Okay. And I'll be like, no, I don't know, but that person has given me his employer ID and all that, and he only has connected me to this call and all. Okay. And he was like, do you know any information about the person who called you? I'm like, yeah, I know his employer ID and I know his name. And they're like, okay, fine, you can give me his name and all that. And I give him the code, like his employer ID code and everything. And he was like, okay, fine. And he's like, tell me what has happened. And I be like, this, so and so. They have called saying that, my number is, but that is not even my number, but my name has been misused and everything. And that person goes like, okay, let me check. And he is like, give me your Aadhaar card ka number. I, being a fool, gives him my Aadhaar card number. Okay, reconfirms my Aadhaar card ka number, and he's like, okay, this one. Okay, and then he's like, okay, let me check the number which is linked to this Aadhaar card. And he tells me the number which is not my number. And I'm like, no, this is not my number. And he's like, no, but this is the number that is linked to this Aadhaar card. I can see here clearly. I'm like, no, this is not my number and everything. And then he's like, maybe you're lying, don't lie, and all that. You have to talk truth to the police and all. So, which is your actual phone number that is linked to your Aadhaar card, according to you? And then, like a stupid, the next mistake I do is give him my phone number. And I gave him my number. And once I give him my phone number, he is like, okay, but this number I cannot see anywhere. And he's like, I feel you're telling lies just to escape from this case. Your Aadhaar card and this number links to each other, and you have a bank account in Canada, which is in Mumbai. And he's like, are you sure? Okay, I'm asking you for the third time. Are you sure? And I'm like, हाँ मैं sure हूँ. And he's like, I don't think so, but anyway, I'll take this. I need a statement from you and all that. I'll be like, okay, fine. And then he asked me like so many multiple questions, like, in this few days, have you been to Mumbai? Have you ever been to Mumbai? And I'm like, in my entire life, I have never been to Mumbai. Then he's like, are you sure you have never been to Mumbai? He's like, see, I'm asking you. And I took a pause. I'm like, no, I have not been to Mumbai. He's like, did you travel anywhere in the past 6 months? I'll be like, yeah, I traveled, but not to Mumbai. Okay, I traveled to Tamil Nadu. And then he's like, why to Tamil Nadu? घूमने के लिए? And but तुमने तो बोला था कि तुम बैंगलोर में रहती हो. I'm like, no, my relatives stay. Okay. And he's like, okay, fine. Then where are you from? And like an idiot, I give him the third information that I am from Goa. And then he's like, what are you doing in Bangalore then? I be like, I'm working in Bangalore. And can someone be a fool like me? No. See, now he knows literally everything about me. Literally, Darshini has given all of her information to a random guy who is not even a police. Okay, so all of this, after all of these stupid things, after all his so-called inquiry, then comes the next step. Now, after all this information, he's like, somewhere or the other, I feel that you're lying to me because you're taking so many pauses even while answering. तो मुंबई पुलिस को ऐसे uh, इसमें नहीं रख सकते, like I don't know, he used some words and all. He's like, you can't keep us in the dark and all that. I'm like, no, I am not. And the accusation that he blamed on me was, you are involved in money laundering business and harassing people from this number. And he literally told me there are 13 FIRs on this phone number. And I'm like, Tera? और उधर से मेरे एक एक आंसू आ रहे. मैं अभी किधर हूँ? हॉस्टल के रूम पे. And I was like shit scared right now. Okay, I'm like shit scared. And he goes like, you're involved in this money laundering and all that, and harassment, and from this number there have been like lot of like video leaks, like you have like harassed people, like video links to people and asking for money laundering was the main point for him. And he's like, you are involved in this team. And he told me like उनका कोई तो एक gang है, it's in like of money laundering in India. It's a world, whatever. It was all fake. Okay, he gave me this narrative, and he's like, and he sent me like list of people's photos on WhatsApp. I literally have those chats, but what he did was he deleted them then in there. So I don't have like the photos. He had sent me like from Google like the photos of those people who were wanted people and all that. And I was like, shit, सच में मैं फंस गई क्या करके. And even he sent me photos of a passbook of that Canara Bank which he told me now. He sent me, and which had my whole name with my house address in it. He even sent me a debit card which had my name on it of a Canara Bank. I'll put the screenshot of the phone number, and was the number from where I got that call and everything. And from this number, I had got the messages. When he said Vinayak Babar from Mumbai Police, and I don't know what he had sent me. The next thing that he had asked me was my Aadhaar card, and like a stupid idiot, I sent him my Aadhaar card here. Okay, when he had asked me. ओके एंड उसके बाद ये सारे जो डिलीटेड आपको दिखाई दे रहे हैं, दिस ऑल वर द पिक्चर्स दैट ही सेंट मी सेइंग दैट दिस ऑल पीपल वर इन्वॉल्व इन मनी लॉन्ड्रिंग बिजनेस एंड एवरीथिंग, एंड सो यू आर आल्सो वन ऑफ देम. एंड जो भी उसने मैंने बोला था ना, फोटोज भेजा था, मैं स्कैम होने की लायक थी उस दिन. ओके बट अभी नहीं हूँ. लाइक आई वॉज बिफोर. इफ एनी स्कैमर इज वॉचिंग मी, डोंट यू डेयर. And then he's like, okay, we have a solution for this. You will have to talk to a head and listen to his rules. Okay, when he told me, like, you'll have to talk to him, he's like, you will have to stay in a room when nobody is there and you should be the only one. And मैं रहती हूँ हॉस्टल में, एंड जो मैं पहले की हॉस्पिटल में काम करती हूँ उधर का रूम ऐसा नहीं था. लाइक करंटली वेर आई एम स्टेइंग, इट्स लाइक 2 person in one room. उधर लाइक एक बहुत बड़ा सा रूम था, एंड वी वर लाइक 4 members in that room. So it is like impossible, like I can't tell all of them to go out, right? कोई नहीं था, सिर्फ एक लड़की थी जो जो मेरी फ्रेंड थी, एंड शी वाज स्लीपिंग. सडनली शी गेट्स अप टू गो टू द वॉशरूम. सो जब वो खोलती है एंड दे सडनली सॉ हर. ओके, एंड जैसे उसने देखा, इतना वो गुस्सा हो गया, एंड ही इज लाइक, आई टोल्ड यू नॉट, आई टोल्ड यू टू बी इन अ क्लोज रूम वेयर नोबडी इज देयर एंड ऑल दैट, व्हाट इज दिस, एंड ब्ला 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 करके मुझे चिल्लाने लगा. मैंने बोला नहीं नहीं, सॉरी सॉरी, कि मैं हॉस्टल में रहती हूँ, मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकती हूँ, लाइक शी वोंट कम, मैंने उसको बाहर भेज दिया है करके. I just ignored her, and then this person also like keeps asking me the same questions, like whatever he has asked and all, and he also keeps like accusing me. He's like, no, you're the one, तुम ऐसे झूठ नहीं बोल सकते हो and all that. See, the number is not even mine, I don't even have that SIM. He's like, what proof do you have that it is not your number? And he's like, and I'm like just trying to prove him, and at that time my brain is not braining. I will tell you. So all of these things happened because I was on my night shift, and मेरा नाइट इतना बिजी गया था कि मैं दिन में आके मैं क्या करती हूँ मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आता है. Literally putting myself in a position that I should not have put myself. And after literally telling him multiple times that I'm not the one, I am not the one, he came to a conclusion saying that I want a video statement from you saying that ऐसा ऐसा मुझे कॉल आया है and I'm not the one. And he told me to blabber a lot of stuff, okay? And he even told me to say that कि मेरे नाम पे इतना सारा FIRs है, but वो सब मैं नहीं हूँ. And then at a point he's like, you'll have to come to Mumbai and all, and everything. And I'm like, I cannot travel to Mumbai like that all of a sudden. And also he told me whatever happens over here you're not supposed to tell anybody. I'm like, नहीं मैं किसी को नहीं बताऊंगी except my parents. And they are like, no, you cannot tell at home and everything. And I'm like, क्यों मैं क्यों नहीं बता सकती हूँ? I'm like, I can tell my parents, right? Okay, now if I'm coming to Mumbai, I will have to tell them that I'm coming to Mumbai. He's like, नहीं हम लोग सब कुछ arrangement करेंगे, but you cannot tell this to your parents. Then दर्शनी को थोड़ा सा डाउट है, और वो भी पूरा डाउट नहीं है, सिर्फ थोड़ा सा डाउट है. नो यू कैन नॉट टेल, यू कैन नॉट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई एम सेइंग और व्हाट, नहीं तो मैं FIR और इंक्रीज कर दूंगा एंड ऑल दैट, एंड आई विल नॉट टेक योर स्टेटमेंट, आई विल नॉट एक्सेप्ट योर स्टेटमेंट एवरीथिंग. आई वाज स्कैर्ड टू लाइक नेक्स्ट लेवल शिट, एंड आई हैड स्टार्टेड क्राइंग. एंड क्राइंग मतलब ऐसे तैसे क्राइंग नहीं है, पूरा लाइक ऐसा वाला क्राइंग. because I was talking to my parents, and I cut the call in between. मैंने उनका call बीच में ही cut किया, and then I called my mom, right? He was like literally continuously calling me, like I'm not even kidding. Okay, continuously calling me, and I will share the screenshot over here and just read that. Okay, Miss Darshini, you are running away from the case and making situation suspicious, and you're insisting me to send the local police to your location and take you in custody. I have your arrest warrant here. Ab kya? And after like multiple calls and everything, this person, see, okay, listen, and he puts some link of something which I never opened, and I still won't open it. Like, your case file is here, order from the Supreme Court, open the site. And then he again video calls me and I don't receive, and he's like, and pick up the call, otherwise I'm sending the team to your location surveillance is here, pick up the call, I'm telling for the last time Darshini and all, and blah blah blah. And again वो इंसान ने मुझे call किया, मैंने receive नहीं किया. So I blocked this person. Like after like 2-3 days or something, I received a message from a different number which also said Mumbai Police, and they had a logo also of some Mumbai Police sort of thing, okay, which like mentioned like Mumbai Police. And in that number, he said hi, and he sends me a photo of a girl. That girl like somewhat looks like me. I thought maybe he thinks that that girl looks like me, so maybe I might fall into the trap saying that I have your photos or whatever. I'll show you. See, that girl and this girl. There might be like little थोड़ा बहुत है similarities, but not too much. Okay, that girl is not me and me is not that girl. All this incident, I guess after almost a month or maybe 1 or 2 weeks, my brother sends me a scam. He sends me a video on Instagram, which the same incident that has happened to me, okay, has happened to someone else. I don't know from where, I don't remember that video properly, but it's the same scam, and that person has looted some around 15 lakhs from a person. I don't know scammer ने क्या सोच के मुझे चुना. I would say, tell that scammer, thank you for thinking that I'm so rich, which I'm not. उसके अकाउंट में 15 लाख था, तुम्हें मेरे अकाउंट में 15,000 तक नहीं मिलते वो टाइम पे. Advice to everyone is don't get scammed. अगर कोई आपसे आपका फोन नंबर भी पूछ रहा है या आपका नाम भी पूछ रहा है, even for confirmation, just ask that person why. Ask that question. Don't be dumb like me. And मैंने जो गलतियाँ किया है, I know you all would have found it really very stupid at the first place. But at that point of time, I did not find it stupid because literally his words felt real to me. I don't know. Fine. Luckily, I did not like actually get scammed, but I just got saved from getting scammed. I can say thanks for watching my video, and if you have watched till here, then so don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Until I see you all next time, sayonara. This is Darshini signing off.